Hello, in my previous video I showed you how to wind a bobbin right-handed, and in this video I'm going to show you how to wind a bobbin if you're left-handed. If you're left-handed, it's really important that you wind your bobbins in the left-handed way, because otherwise you'll have difficulty unwinding your bobbins. So I'm going to start with my bobbin in my right hand, and I'm going to lay the thread along my bobbin, and I'm going to wind it away from me a couple of times so that it's secured. I'm then going to transfer my bobbin into my left hand, and I'm then going to wind my thread onto my bobbin by winding my bobbin away from me. So as you can see, it's a little bit tricky for me because I'm actually right-handed, but there we go. So there's my thread on my bobbin. I'm then going to put my bobbin into my left hand. I'm going to put my finger underneath my thread, pull it towards me until I have a loop, and slide that loop over my bobbin and pull it. Now, if I try and unwind that right-handed, it's not going to work. It will work if I no, it generally works if you push it away from you. But if you hold your bobbin with your spangle to the left and then wind it towards you, that thread will unwind. If you wind it away, it won't unwind. And if you hold it up like that, the thread will stay as it is. So I'm just going to cut off a length for the other bobbin. So you hold your bobbin in your right hand, lay the thread along the bobbin, and then you wind it away from you a few times to get the thread secure. There we go. Then you transfer your bobbin into your left hand and you wind the bobbin away from you. And if you're left-handed, this will feel a lot easier than if you're right-handed. So just going to wind that a little bit more. There we are. So then you're going to put the bobbin into your right hand, put your finger underneath the thread and pull your finger towards you to create a loop. And the thread that's attached to the other bobbin runs over the top of that loop there. You're then going to slide that loop onto your bobbin, and if you want to check you've done it correctly, put the bobbin with the spangle pointing to the left and wind the bobbin towards you, and it will unwind. If you push it away, it won't. And if you hang them up like so, the thread won't come undone. So that's how you do your left-handed winding, and the knot is a half hitch, and hopefully that will help